Solve a quadratic equation using square root method. As you can see here, you have 5x square minus 100 is equal to 0, and you are asked to solve. That is, identify the value of x. What is the value of x, right? So, in order to do this, first thing I can take, like you have here 5x square minus 100. So this 100 is away from x square. So first let us handle this minus 100. How do you do that? That is, I want to cancel this minus 100 on the left hand side. How do you take it off? Do the opposite, inverse process. Minus 100, so add 100. If you add 100 on the left hand side, add that same 100 on the right hand side. So that this cancelled off. Now you have 5x square is equal to 0 plus 100 is 100. Now as you can see, 5x square, 5 times x square. So I want to cancel this 5 from here. It, as you said, times the inverse operation for that times multiplication is division. So let us divide by 5 on both sides to give you 5 and 5 cancelled off one time. So 1x square is 1x square is x square. 100 divide 5 one time, 20 times, right? So x square is equal to 20. X square is equal to 20, but you are looking for just x by itself. And what is the inverse operation of this square? It is the square root. So let us take the square root on both sides. This square root cancels with square, giving you x is equal to square root of 20. It is a plus or minus root 20 you get. But 20 is not a perfect square. This square root of 20 gives you an irrational number. And you don't have to, you should not leave it here at this point. You have to simplify as far as possible. That is, this 20, even though it is not a perfect square, but it is a product of a square number. As you know, 4 times 5 is 20. 4 is a square number, right? 2 square is 4, right? Therefore, I will write this 20, square root of 20 as square root of 4 times 5. What I am trying to do is to simplify this square root of 20, as you can do it this way. If it is not possible, let us say, suppose if you have square root of 23, you cannot do anything, just leave it there. Here, this is not the final format. You have to simplify. So, 4 times 5 inside the square root. Let us separate that square root. I'll write square root of 4 times square root of 5. And we know that the square root of 4 is 2, right? 2 times 2 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. And the square root of 5 we do not know. Leave it like this. Hence, the square root of 20 is plus or minus 2 root 5. That is my answer. The value of x is 2 root 5. And you can write it this way. Negative 2 root 5, comma, positive 2 root 5. Those are the two solutions in this, for this equation. 5x square minus 100 is equal to 0. Very, very easy, right? Remove this 100, then remove that 5. After, find the square root. That's all. So, I also have 2 questions here for you. Solve this. 3x square minus 75 is equal to 0. And 6x square is equal to 300. So, please try. Okay, thank you.